next award is the fastest growing company of the year, Business Center and Co-working Spaces Real Estate. The award goes to Mr. Ashish Kumar Gupta, founder and CEO of Triangles Consolidate Limited. Mr. Ashish Kumar Gupta. We have the wonderful man walking all the way from the back. Award. Fastest growing company of the year, Business Center and Co-working Spaces Real Estate. Congratulations.
Sir, please, sir.
Look at sir. Sir,
Sir, please.
sir. Excuse me. Sir, please. Look, sir. Thank you.
Hello and welcome to the Leaders Award 2024. What's your good name, sir?
आशीष कुमार गुप्ता।
आशीष सर, अपने बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
मेरा जो बिजनेस है वो co-working spaces and business centers का है. We are running this particular business for the last 10 years and we have served 10,000 plus clients and still growing up. And we are, giving services to all these people, and these services no other company can give, as we are offering to all of our clients in a very smaller prices. And people are very, eager to take, centers and spaces in our centers.
That's great.
Thank you.
And which award you got today?
We got the fastest growing company of the year.
Wow, fastest growing. This is a great award, I would say. So what makes you the fastest one?
Because we are eager to, span as much as possible we can. Because we have thought that we have to give more and more services. We have to have more and more people to work with us, and they can, grow our business and they can run there as well.
Oh, that's great. Congratulations, sir, for your great achievement, and kudos and achieve many more awards in future.